This might be a crazy way to start the vlog, but come with me to Tokyo. I have so many words, but I'm starting the vlog at a very hectic spot, and there's a lot of hectic things going on that I will get into. But I'm so excited. It's been 5 years since I've been to Japan, which is crazy. I'm so excited, but I am flying alone. Amari's gonna meet up with me in a couple days. We might have some other special guests coming, but I'm so excited. Let's go. Okay, so shortly after that clip, I had to get on the plane, and this is me with my Asahi. You already know. I have a whole TikTok of me trying so many things on the plane. If you guys want to see more, definitely go to my TikTok. I also got a matcha to like wake me up. I don't know, but it was really good. Super worth it. Anyway, bye. Y'all, I am sweating so much. I'm obviously off the plane, got my luggage. On my way to Narita Express, the train, and oh my god. Like, I'm literally pushing 300 pounds right here. Not kidding. I stopped at the little family mart that was right by this elevator, and I got so many things have happened, y'all. I'm sweating. This is beyond. I just had to like sprint onto this train, and I bought a ticket that was like 20 minutes later than the one that I could have actually gotten on. I would have never gotten on that one if I bought the tickets. Oh my god. I just had to sprint to find this plane. Not plane. To find this train. It takes you like literally directly from the airport to closer to like main Tokyo area. Like an hour away. Because I'm at the Narita airport. I literally have to blot. I took off my jacket. Of course I'm wearing a gray shirt. I've never sweat like that in my entire life. But my jacket was like so big and I didn't want to drop it, and I already have 2 giant luggages. I hate myself. Like, why can't I just pack a couple of random t-shirts? Like, never. I'm in Japan. I'm really just in Japan. In my little Airbnb, aka my new house. I'm not leaving. I'm not leaving. I just went to the grocery store. It was interesting. I've never been to like an actual grocery store. Kind of fun. I prefer Family Mart because it just has all the fun little goodies in it, you know? The little like egg sandwiches and the strawberry cream sandwiches. I need to wake up early so I get my hands on both of those because I know those go first. And with all the fucking people visiting right now, I know they want them and they're for me. I invented those. But yeah, I'm in my Airbnb. It's kind of cute. I can literally sleep 100 fucking people, but it's just me for now. But let me show you this little Airbnb. Let's do a little Airbnb haul. Okay, so you first walk in and there's this little area where you take your shoesies off and then you put in your slippers. I'm honestly not even wearing slippers. But yeah, then you have your garbage cans. That's this area, right? We have a full body mirror. Thank God. Then we have, this is our bathroom. Cute little sink moment, honestly. Great for glam. Like, wow. Okay. So that's where I'm going to be getting ready probably. And then over here we have the shower, which is honestly crazy. Why does it have a giant light bulb in it? Kind of fun. You know, standard little shower. Love her. Wait, the fact that the towel holder's in there? I'm so confused. And then over that way we have the toilet that also has a sink attached to it. I don't know if you're actually supposed to use it as a sink. I don't know. Or if it's like the toilet water. I don't know. I'm scared of that. But we have a Toto toilet. Thank God. Oh my God, I'm missing a nail. Today's been a day, okay? Heated toilet with the bidet. Love it. And then we have washer dryer. Might just be a washer. Thank God. Little fridge, microwave, kettle. Got some water at the store. Got some Kirins with little sakura flowers all over it. Are you kidding? I was gonna get the Asahi. I'm gonna get the Asahi tomorrow. I just couldn't carry everything. These strawberries, I don't even care how much they were. They're probably like less than $10, but like the smell, it literally smells like strawberry, like candy. Oh my God, I'm so excited to try that. Got some little probiotic drinks, you know, Yakult, whatever. Oh, also so excited to try this. It's like Japan's most popular ice cream, Choco Manaka Jumbo. So excited to try this. I can't believe I've never even like heard of it, but so excited to try that. The lady that was checking me out was like trying to talk to me about it, and I was like, my Japanese isn't that good yet, ma'am. And I'm like, I'm still dizzy from like the flight. I had like 3 beers, a sip of something else that you guys might have saw, I don't know. So anyways, moving on. As I was saying, kitchen area, we have a little kitchen, little mini stove, some glasses, so fucking cute, seriously. Dishware and whatnot. Got a knife down here, seriously, thank God. My giant suitcases that are honestly gonna go under the bed, and thank God the beds are risen for that fact. I love that. This is like a little mini couch moment, little living room area that also can turn into a bed, so literally 2 more people could sleep there if they wanted to. But little TV mom, and then yeah, our double bed situation. These are huge. Almost a king, especially for Japan. Like, these are actually massive. Cute little nightstand with my drinks on it. Oh my god. And then we have a little closet situation, which is amazing. And like, honestly, so many hangers. And yeah, oh wait, I was gonna stop it there, but girl, check this out. Are you actually joking? Look at that. And look, that's my new husband. I need to find a husband because I don't want to leave here ever. Ever, 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 ever. I have a little balcony. Like, what is that across from me? I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna eat there. I'm just so like shy, but I need to like, you know, break out of that. Like, I want like Amari to like show up so I can like, you know, go do stuff. But yeah, we got a lot of food places over here. There's like bars. That's like a little coffee shop that also sells like champagne and wine. So I'm like gonna be there a lot for sure. Not a lot, but like, you know, coffee and wine. Like, there's just so much right around me. I think I'm in Shinagawa. I don't know. I'm a little out of like the city, like not like too close. I mean, I'm like 20 minutes from Shibuya and stuff. How close am I to No, 20 minutes from Shinjuku. So if you know, you know, whatever. I'm not leaving. So this is actually a tour of my new home. Guys, it's like, I'm like shaking. I'm like, I can't stop. Like, I'm just so over the moon. I was literally like on the train eating my onigiri that I got at the airport. That was amazing. The fatty tuna one with the green onions. Guys, if you ever come to Japan, get that one. I'm just so excited. I think I have to get ready and like go out. Probably go to Shinjuku, you know? Fuck it. It's like 7:30. So I need to like get in. Yeah, I'm gonna unpack and check in with you guys later. Guys, I can't even lie. I'm being so boring right now. Like, so fucking stupid and boring. And I'm like trying not to. Like, okay, I took a shower. That's the problem. Like, I was already feeling like jet laggy and boring. But I took a shower and now I'm like, and I can fall asleep right now. And yes, I still do have my eye section of my makeup on. Because I was like, I'm gonna go to like Golden Guy. That's what I always do every time I come here, like first night Golden Guy, but it's like, it's already like 9 and like I would get there at like 10:30. Last train is what, like 12:30, and it's like then I would have to like taxi or something on the way back. I just don't know if I want to be doing all that right now. So here's a new plan. Fix your hair, Ash. A new plan is I'm gonna put on like just literally a whatever outfit and like go get some ramen. There's a ramen shop like directly across from me, but like they don't have soft boiled eggs and I am a snob. I want my like first ramen here not to be perfect, but like decent, you know what I mean? I'm just like thinking so many things. Like, I could go get ramen in like Shinjuku, so it's not like I'm like blacking out. Like, I just don't want to get stuck out there tonight. Well, I know I want to get stuck, but like the taxi of it all just sounds like so much. Like, I'd rather go to Shinjuku tomorrow and then like fuck around and find out. I don't know. Like, I'm tired. I think I need food to like give me some energy. Maybe I'll feel spunky after I eat. Yeah, I'm gonna put clothes on one side. Okay, so not even gonna lie, I ended up going to get this insane ramen that was a couple minutes away walking, and then I went into a food coma and fell asleep. Sorry. Good morning, vlog. Oh my god. I just woke up. It's like, actually no, I've been like tossing and turning since like 7:30, but it's like 8:30 now. I got the heater on. Thank God. It's a rainy day today. That's why I was like, I'll let myself sleep in. I don't know why. Like, bitch, get up. But yeah, it's a rainy day today. I think today's like one of like the only rainy days pretty much. But I don't know, Japan loves to be a little bipolar with its weather sometimes, so that's fun though. I think I'm gonna go to Harajuku today, see some shops. There's also like a little temple over there that I've been to that like it was raining when I went there last time and it was like honestly such a vibe that I might run that up again. But yeah, I think I need to like go to Family Mart really quick because since it's like semi early, they might have some new stuff there and I really want my strawberry and cream sandwich and some good onigiri. So I think I might just like look so ugly real quick and walk because it's a minute away. And I've also already been drinking like the rest of my milk tea from yesterday. Yes, I slept with my eye makeup on. I could not last night. I was like so out of it, needed rest, but I'm so happy. Yeah, let's go to Family Mart and get like a little snack around. Okay, fitted enough, seriously. I'm just gonna put my shoes on and we're gonna gas it. And I got my little umbrella yesterday. Oh, honey. One thing about me is like I hate like cold weather and shit, like snow and whatnot. Oh, we got some winds going today, but rain doesn't really bother me. It's just like I don't want to feel ice cold. This is a vibe. Hey y'all, okay, so I already tried all this stuff out on TikTok. If you guys want to see more Japan stuff, go to my TikToks if you haven't seen them already. I mean, they're gonna be out before this, come on, let's be real. I haven't posted on YouTube in like a year, come on. But it's already brought me out of my depression. So yeah, I just went to, not 7-Eleven, the Family Mart right by my house, because I live here now. And I got Their boiled egg salad, ham, and cucumber sandwich. Insane. I usually don't eat egg salads or anything, or I don't know. I think I've tried the egg sandwich here before, like the regular one that's like just scrambled egg salad on like the milk bread. And I was like, oh, whatever, like whatever about it. If I had like sriracha or like pepper and like chili flakes, I'd be shoving this in a different hole. So, but for the first time, I'm pretty sure for the first time, I don't remember ever trying this. I always get the strawberry and whipped cream sandwich, but this one has strawberry, tangerine, pineapple, and whipped cream. And it is just beyond. And there was only one left, and that's why I knew I just had to like put on my sweats and run out the door to grab what I wanted. I still need to go find onigiri at 7-Eleven, but I think I'm gonna do that when I'm like full glam, especially because like in Harajuku, there's like a lot of 7-Elevens over there, or like Family Marts in general. So I'm sure I'll be able to like find one throughout the day when I get like hungry again. I mean, they had onigiri over here. They just didn't have like what I wanted, which was the fatty tuna and the green onion that literally made me cry. And this also made me cry. And Sweet Me Zero again. I'm not leaving. Not kidding. Getting on Hinge and finding a husband. I'm not kidding. Got the egg salad. That was insane. Got this. Insane. Sorry, I can't stop eating it. No. Squishies. So I've never had these before. I mean, I already tried them on TikTok. Spoiler alert. But Mario Salmon was raving about his little vitamin drinks. This one's for energy. This one is like a beauty vitamin elixir. It has collagen, hyaluronic acid, ceramides, vitamins A, B1, B2, B6, B12, C, D, V, whatever. I don't know. All of them. So this one tastes like those little emergency packets, like when you're sick, you know, like that, but like more like tangerine and sweet. It smells like emergency. It's actually crazy. I'm trying to show you without this going everywhere. It's like a little jelly, fun little drink. It's not like applesauce. It's like jelly. Amazing. This one, energy. This has glucose, vitamin B1. Oh, this jelly provides the energy to help you find inspiration. Showed. This one tastes like a melon candy. Almost like a hint of like, it's like a smoothie almost. It does taste like a little melon, maybe a little banana-y smoothie. Amazing. So good. Definitely tastes better than this one, but I love emergency, so this one's really good too. And then I saw this little vitamin C drink, and you know, I was like, ooh, it looks like it's gonna be like little like lemon soda. Not kidding. This is Sprite or Squirt. Like it tastes really good. So thank you for having breakfast with me. I'm gonna get glam. See you in a sec. Y'all, oh my god, I am walking through a forest right now. So I've been walking to the Meiji Shrine. Look at this forest. It was raining earlier, so I had my little umbrella. It was like sprinkling, honestly, when I got here. It was raining more so when I was like walking to the train station. I'll insert some clips. Also, check this out. Do you see it? Because I sure do. Look at the cherry blossoms. I'm dead. I've been here before because it's right when you get off the Harajuku exit on the train. I remember it, like I haven't been here in 6 years, and I just remember getting off the train in Harajuku, taking a right, and then it's like there's like a giant walkway right over here. I don't remember a lot of things, but why do I remember things like this? Like, thank God. Honestly, probably because it was amazing and beautiful. Like, I'm so happy. So obviously, yes, I am here alone, and like when Amari gets here, I'd love to take him, and Mario, if he comes, would love to take them to see this because it's just breathtaking. Like, this walk is just gorgeous. But I really like being here alone in the sense like I'm really taking it in. I remember it being so beautiful, and like there was a lot of trees. I remember a long walk and then like a little shrine, but like I'm like looking at it. Okay, wait, hold on. We have some sprinkles going. And I do not need to mess up my Miskin Beauty blowout at all. Still so LA. But yeah, I'm really taking in like every detail of this. Like, I remember being here 6 years ago and just there were other things on my mind. But I mean, this is just unreal. Beautiful. People are looking at me like I'm crazy with my little selfie stick. Pretty much like I'm using my tripod as a selfie stick. Like I'm being so dramatic. I don't care at all. And like the workers are staring at me seriously. But like on some shit. Anyways, my phone's gonna die. And I just got here. I've been on FaceTime with my mom showing her, and she's like, like I wasn't on FaceTime with her last time. Probably should have been. I need to take some photos somewhere, but I'm so awkward. I'm gonna set it up soon. It's 5 p.m. and this is happening. Like, why is it so cute? I'm crying. I can't stop crying. Not me, like, apartment shopping right now fully. I'm here at the grocery store and their choices of vodka are pretty slim. We have our girl Smirnoff. Honestly, might just get it because I have a theory that it makes me way less hungover than literally any other. There's also this one, which could be fun, and these, but I might just get our girl. We also love our guy. That is such a cute little mini Disaronno. Do I get gin? No, that's crazy. Amari won't drink that with me. I know Amari will drink this with me, so I'm gonna get this. I look like a fucking alcoholic. I have 2 cases of acai and a tuna maki roll. I think it's tuna maki, but we gonna find out. Don't care regardless. Like, I know it's gonna be insane. Also, look at how cute the cart is, like with the little holder for the umbrella. So cute. Let's go get some snacks. Guys, I'm literally shaking. Eyes are watering. So I was originally, this is so bad. Like, it's literally like day 1, Ash. Like, yeah, I've done a little walking today and just got back, and I might have extended my stay for a full month, a little bit over, instead of 2 weeks. I'm literally shaking. So yeah, I am moving here. I can't believe that Mario Salmon literally just called me and we just literally booked a whole couple more weeks of stay. He's like, want to stay till like the 9th of May? I was like, first of all, I thought our original plan was like stay till the 7th of May. He just added a couple more days on there and I agreed. So we are, once I get to Kyoto, I leave here on the 16th, my birthday, and go to Kyoto, and I'll be in Kyoto for like 3 days. And then that's when Mario gets there. He gets there on the 19th. So my last day of stay in Kyoto. He's gonna meet me in Kyoto, and then we're gonna go to Osaka, or meet me in Osaka at our Airbnb there. Gonna stay there for a couple of days, and then we're gonna come back to like the main Shibuya area and stay for a couple weeks. And I couldn't be happier. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Like, being here, especially alone, like I am like very like shy and nervous. I know it takes me like a couple days to like actually speak Japanese because I've been learning it and I know like quite a bit, but I'm like just so shy, and it just takes like, I don't know, like a little getting used to switching cultures. But I'm gonna leave here speaking fluent Japanese, I'm sure. I just like how now I have like a bit more time. Like, I don't have to rush to try to do everything. Like today I was like walking around Harajuku and I was just like, do I need to make a TikTok eating the rainbow grilled cheese sandwich? I was like, I'm not even hungry, but I'm here. I know I'm gonna come back with Amari and Mario, but like, do I need to eat all that right now? Like, you know? So I just like how I can just go about my life, but in Japan. I'm so happy. Okay, that's my little update. Love you. Guys, hi. I just took off my makeup. I'm like so delirious. It's almost like 1 a.m. and I got this tiramisu from 7-Eleven and I'm like so hungry. So I just got this out of the fridge. This is the best thing I've ever had. I think, okay, this equals crazy. I know I've been saying that about every single thing that I eat, but like it's like every single thing just keeps getting better and better. And I've been saving a lot of the, like, I haven't had everything that I like super want to have yet. Oh my god, I can't eat this like fast enough. It's so good. Oh my god, this is incredible. I literally had to like turn on the vlog camera because I took a bite and I was like, whoa. Like at the bottom of this like the dark part at the bottom, it's like jelly espresso. It's so yummy. And there's like the cream on the top, some cake, mousse, and then the jelly with espresso on top. Oh my god, espresso powder. This is gonna wake me up, and hopefully it does, so I can go on my computer and do some OF. I've also been eating my strawberries. Oh my, this has been my midnight snack. Thank you for joining. I literally feel like I'm on drugs. I'm like, good night. Hey, future Ashley here. It's me. Unfortunately, yes, I am in America. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I have a lot of Japan footage. I was filming so much content, not only for YouTube, but for TikTok as well. So if you guys want to see more, definitely go over to my TikTok. I filmed a lot of fun videos for TikTok specifically. So definitely go over there if you guys want to see some more stuff from me. But yeah, if you guys aren't already subscribed, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload next. There's a lot of Japan vlogs coming and just fun stuff in general, so subscribe. Can't wait for you guys to see. All right, I love you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.